In today's video, we're diving into the art of composting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, creating the perfect compost is a game changer for your plants. Stick around as we share the ultimate compost recipe to enrich your soil and grow healthier, more vibrant plants. Composting is nature's way of recycling. It reduces waste, improves soil quality, and helps plants thrive. But not all compost is created equal. A balanced compost pile requires the right ingredients and proper care. So let's break it down. The secret to perfect compost lies in the balance of greens and browns. Greens. These are your nitrogen-rich materials, like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings. Browns. These provide carbon and include dried leaves, straw, cardboard, and shredded paper. The golden rule. Aim for a ratio of about 2 parts browns to 1 part greens. Not everything belongs in the compost pile. Avoid adding meat, dairy, oily foods, or pet waste, as these can attract pests and slow the decomposition process. Stick to natural, biodegradable materials for the best results. Start by layering your browns and greens like a compost lasagna. Add a layer of browns at the bottom for good aeration, followed by a layer of greens. Continue alternating and don't forget to keep the pile moist. Think of it as a damp sponge, not soaking wet. Turning your compost pile is key. Aerating it every 1 to 2 weeks helps speed up decomposition and prevents odor. In just a few months, you'll notice dark, crumbly compost. This is gardening gold. If you want to supercharge your compost, consider adding natural compost activators. These include aged manure, garden soil, or even finished compost. These materials introduce beneficial microbes that accelerate the decomposition process. Think of it as giving your compost pile a healthy jumpstart. An often overlooked tip is to chop or shred your compost materials. Smaller pieces decompose much faster because they provide more surface area for microbes to work on. For example, cut up fruit peels and shred leaves or cardboard before adding them to your pile. This can significantly speed up the composting process. Once your compost is ready, use it to top dress your garden beds, mix it into potting soil, or create compost tea for an organic fertilizer boost. And that's it, the perfect compost recipe. With just a little effort, you can transform kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy composting, and we'll see you in the next video.